Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable all ticks here. And also here. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you have to agree with privacy policy and user agreement. Then select system navigation method. You have gesture navigation or 3 buttons navigation. I'll select gestures. Then select theme. You have Aurora or Shadow Hunter. Tap next. Then you have wireless update, so you have to contest privacy. Okay, so you have to put ticks. You have to read privacy policy and consent form, and device will be ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.